I've just got to learn to stay away from Amazon's deal of the day. I probably don't need another welder. I have a high-grade welder that can do stick welding. But I wanted a welder dedicated to stick welding for heavy-duty jobs. I went online, Amazon, and this welder, very highly rated, all kinds of reviews on YouTube, normally $139, which by itself is an amazing deal, but it was $30 off with a coupon, $109, and I had some Amazon points, and I figure I can lose $100 at the casino in about 7 seconds. So what the heck, let's add another welder to the mix. Pretty nice machine. It comes set up to run on 220 volts, but it has an adapter so you can run it on 110. It has a 60% duty cycle, and it's incredibly small. I mean, to give you an idea of how small it is, I'll put it next to a tape measure. That's how big this thing is. Only weighs a couple of pounds. I did some welding with it this morning. Haven't touched stick welding in about, I don't know, 40 years. But I learned how to weld on a stick welding machine, an old Lincoln Tombstone. But these new inverter-based welders, 200 amps out of that little box. Pretty amazing. Does a beautiful job. First bead I drew on it came out great. It has hot start feature. The biggest problem people have with stick welders, new welders, is getting the arc to start. Well, this welder, if you put it into the hot start mode, it increases the amps for the first few milliseconds that you initiate the arc. And then it cuts back to the amperage that you've selected. It works really, really good. It also has a non-stick feature that if you accidentally stick the welding stick in the pool, the puddle, it will, for a split second, stop welding and allow you to remove it so it doesn't burn up your welding rod. Really great machine for $109. I don't know how they can build these things in China, ship them across the ocean. There's got to be 3 or 4 people making a profit here and there. I mean, what does it cost to make this thing? $20? It comes with some really pretty good accessories. Quality is not bad whatsoever. It's not junk. The reviews are great, as I said. So anyways, now besides my flux core welder, and then my Millermatic MIG machine 185, and my prime weld TIG machine, they're all under these covers over here. We're set for just about any type of welding that needs to get done. Anyways, at this point in time, highly recommended. Now people say, geez, is it a good welder or is it a boat anchor? Well, you can't really buy a boat anchor for $100 anymore. So if it doesn't work out, you might make a pretty good boat anchor. Thanks for watching.